area of triangle BEF is to area of triangle ABD. So let's see which two triangles. First, resolve this. Area of BEF. So BEF is my this blue triangle, okay, and ABD. ABD is this triangle. Okay, the ratio of the areas of these two triangles. Okay, so you know the ratio, isn't it? You have already shown that these two triangles are similar. And what is the relation between areas of similar triangles? So we write area of triangle BEF divided by area of triangle ABD, square of the proportional sides. So let's see what are the proportional sides. EF by AD equal to EB by AB equal to FB by BD. Square of this, square of this, and the square of this. Among these, which ratio do I know? I know EF by AD and I also know EF by AB. So whichever one you can
Sir,
use. Okay. So EF by AD. So let's use EF by AD. That means area of triangle BEF by area of ABD is EF by AD whole square. Taking the first ratio. This is 3 by 5 whole square, which is 9 by 25. Therefore, what is the ratio? Area of triangle BEF is to area of triangle ABD is equal to 9 is to 25. Okay, so this was answer to your second question. And let's see the third question. Area of triangle ABD is to area of trapezium AEFD. Let's see what are the which triangle and which trapezium they are talking about. Area of triangle ABD. Okay, so they mean this triangle. ABD means this red triangle. Fine. And is to area of trapezium AEFD. Here trapezium AEFD means this green trapezium. Okay, this green one. How to find the ratio of the areas of these two? Now, what you see here is you already know the ratio of these two triangles, right? Area of these two triangles. You already know this ratio, right? Area of triangle BEF is to ABD. We shall use this ratio in order to find out the ratio of these two. So what you do here is, since you know the two ratios, okay, you can take let area of triangle BEF. You know the ratio to be what? 9 by 25 or 9 is to 25. You can take this as 9K, and area of triangle ABD is equal to 25K. Therefore, what is the area of the trapezium? That green trapezium. If you see the figure, what is the area of this green trapezium? It is the area of this red triangle minus the area of this blue triangle, right? BEF. So we subtract. Therefore, area of trapezium uh, AEFD. AEFD is equal to area of triangle ABD, the bigger triangle, minus area of triangle BEF. Okay, so which is 25k minus 9k, and which is 16k. Okay, you have got the area of the trapezium, and you also know the area of the triangle ABD, which is 25k. So therefore, what is the ratio of the areas? Area of triangle ABD is to area of trapezium AEFD is equal to 25k by 16k. K cancels, you get 25 by 16. So what is the ratio of the areas? Area of triangle ABD is to area of trapezium AEFD is equal to 25 is to 16. Okay. Any questions?
No, sir.
Proceed to the next one. Fourth question, the last part. Area of triangle FEO. Let's see which one is FEO. So FEO is my this red triangle. Okay. And is to area of triangle OBC. And this is my OBC is my this blue triangle. This blue triangle. Okay, need to find out the area of this. Which type of figure is this? This is my type 1 figure. Okay. And how do I prove similarity of this? First of all, in order to find the ratio of the areas, first I will have to prove similarity. Okay. Then only I can write the ratio of the areas. So what, these two are vertically opposite angles, and these two are alternate angles. Okay. And you have these two angles equal. Obviously, the third angle. So two angles, any two angles of the triangle are equal. Therefore, they are similar. So you have, you can do the proof on your own, as I have done here. Okay. And next, I will proceed to find out to write the proportional sides. Okay. So let's see what are the proportional sides. Here I also have the figure. So let me write the proportions. I have marked the angles here. Okay. If you see the vertically opposite to the vertically opposite angles, you have the side EF by BC in the two triangles. Okay. Then opposite to the other angles, you have this. Let me mark this. This two red angles. You have the side OE and you have the side OC. And say opposite to these two blue angles, you have the side OF by OB. Okay, so I've written the proportional sides. Now we can write down the um, ratio of the areas. Okay, so therefore area of triangle FEO divided by area of triangle OBC is equal to square of all these. Square of the proportional sides. Okay, so which ratio do I know? That is the question. Okay, so let's see which ratio do I know. Now see, I know EF. I know in the beginning, see, in part 1, what I have shown. This one. EF by AD I have shown, right? EF is to AD is equal to 3 is to 5. I have shown. So we'll use this relation. How we'll use? See, area of, we'll take this one. Area of triangle FEO divided by area of triangle OBC is equal to EF. We start with this EF by BC whole square. Okay. Now you see that since this is a parallelogram, the opposite sides will be equal. So therefore, what I can do is I can replace BC by AD. Since AD is equal to BC, because you know that the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Therefore, this BC I can replace by this AD. Therefore, do I know EF is to AD? Now I know this ratio. See, I know EF is to AD. So what I'll do is I'll simply put 3 is to 5. Now we have got which is 9 by 25. So therefore, area of triangle FEO is to area of triangle OBC is equal to 9 is to 25. Fine. So this completes all the 4 parts of the question. Any questions? We move on to the next one.
No, sir.
Arpita, were you talking about this question? The picture that
Yes,
you had
sir.
sent?
It is similar to the question, this one.
So can you do now?
Yes, sir.
Fine. We proceed to the next question. Now in this figure, it is given that the ratio of the areas of triangle AD. So this one AD, this area of this triangle, and the area of the trapezium DBC. What trapezium are we talking about? We're talking about this trapezium DBC. The ratio of the areas of these two are given to be 4 is to 5. Find the ratio DE is to BC. DE is to BC means find the ratio DE by BC, ratio of these two sides. So what I'll do is I'll first show that these two triangles are congruent, the red triangle and this green triangle. Okay, the bigger triangle. We'll show that these two triangles are congruent. So that is how we proceed. Okay, this is what the type 1 figure. Sorry, in fact, the type 2 figure, this one. So yeah, I have done the proof of similarity here. Let me just mark the angles. This is my common angle. These two are my alternate angles. So two angles proven to be equal. Therefore, the triangle have to be similar. And obviously, when two angles are similar, two angles are equal, the third angle also has to be equal. We now proceed to write. Now, once we have proved similarity, we'll write the proportional sides. The sides are triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. Okay, the proof I'm not doing, you'll do it on your own. I'm writing the proportional sides. Sides are proportional. Okay, so you have opposite to the red angle, common angle, you have AE, DE, sorry. DE by BC is equal to opposite to the blue angle, you have AE by AC, and opposite to the green angle, you have AD by AB. Okay, these are the proportional sides. Now, what is the relation between the areas of the similar triangle? Therefore, area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle this ratio is given. Fine. Let me write this first. Area of triangle ABC is equal to square of the proportional sides. the square of all this. Fine. Okay. So call this 1. Now let's see what is given. It is given to you here that the area of here area of triangle ADE area of trapezium TBCE is equal to how much? 4:5. Okay. So what I do is I take let area of triangle ADE is equal to 4K and area of trapezium DBCE is equal to 5K. Therefore, what is the area of this bigger triangle? You know the area of this small triangle ADE to be 4K, and the area of this triangle, this trapezium, in fact, this trapezium here, in fact, you know this to be 5K. Therefore, what is the area of this bigger triangle? It is sum of the areas of these two, right? So therefore, area of triangle ABC. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to 4K plus 5K is equal to 9K. Okay. So therefore, what is the ratio of the area of ADE and ABC? Therefore, area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle ABC is equal to how much is ADE? 4K, and ABC is 5K or 9K. Is 9K, which is 4:9 or 4 by 9. So we have managed to find out the areas of these two triangles, and from 1, what do we know? This. So therefore, we start from 1 again. So from 1, area of triangle ADE, area of triangle ABC is equal to what ratio do I need here? What ratio do I need to find? DE is to BC. Okay. And do I have DE is to BC here? Yes, I have it here. So I will take DE by BC whole square. This first ratio I'll take. Okay. And what do I know? Ratio of the area of the two triangles, I know them to be 4 by 9, which is equal to DE by BC whole square. Okay. So that means what is DE by BC? It is the square root of 4 by 9. That means DE by BC is 2 by 3 square. That means DE by BC is 2 is to 3. Therefore, DE is to BC is equal to 2 is to 3. That is what you needed to find out here. DE is to BC. Okay. Any questions here? What you see in this problem here is, in fact, that in all the problems till now, whatever we have done, you knew the ratio of the sides of the similar triangles, and you were finding out the ratio of the areas. Here, this was just the converse. Area of a trapezium and area of a triangle was given. You found out the area of the similar triangles. Ratio of the areas of the similar triangles you found out to find out the ratio of the sides ultimately. DE is to BC. Okay, that is the difference between this problem and the other problem. So let us see the one more problem. I think I have time for around 7 minutes I have. Okay. In the given figure, angle ABC is equal to angle DAC. Okay, fine. So let me mark the given angles. Angle ABC, this angle, is equal to angle DAC, this angle. AB is equal to 8 centimeters. So AB is given to be 8 centimeters. AC is 4 centimeters. This is given to be 4 centimeters. ED is 5 centimeters. So this is 5. Prove that ACD, so which triangle am I talking about? ACD, this green triangle, okay, is similar to triangle BCA. Which triangle here I'm talking about? I'm talking about BCA, this bigger triangle. Okay, we need to prove that this green and these blue triangles are similar. So this is what? This is type 3 figure, right? Type 3 figure. Everyone agrees? These two angles equal. Is the common angle between the two triangles. And what angle is left? Whatever angle is left, that will be equal definitely. In the bigger triangle, which angle is left? This angle is left, right? In a smaller triangle, this angle is left. Therefore, these two have to be equal. Okay. So what you will do is you will write the proof of similarity as you have done in your type 3, and you'll now write proportional sides. Once you have written the proof of similarity, you'll write, see, you'll write triangle ACD. Okay, the first part of the question is answered. Triangle ACD is similar to triangle BCA. The first part of the question we have done here. Okay, we have shown that two angles are equal. Which angles are equal? The blue angle, the common angle, and the red angles are given to be equal. So therefore, the two triangles are similar, and the green angle have to be equal, obviously. Okay, let's see the next part of the question. Find BC and CD. In order to find BC and CD, let us write the proportional sides first. Sides are proportional. Okay, opposite to your blue angle in the smaller triangle, check that you have AD. It's the side opposite to the blue angle. And remember, in type 3 figure, be a little careful while writing the proportional sides. You make mistakes in type 3 figure, especially. Opposite to your blue angle, you have the side AD, and opposite to your blue angle in the bigger triangle, you have the side AB. Okay. So blue angle has been taken care of. Let us now take care of the red angle. In the smaller triangle, opposite to the red angle, you have the side CD. And in the bigger triangle, opposite to the red angle, you have the side AC.
Sir, can you explain it once more?
The proportional sides
Yes, sir.
or similarity.
No, sir, the proportional sides.
Look, consider the blue angle. Opposite to the blue angle in the smaller triangle, you have the side AD. I write AD. In the bigger triangle, opposite to this blue one, you have the side AB. I write AB. AD by AB. What the first ratio? Because of the blue angle. Let us now see the next one. Look at the red angle. Opposite to the red angle in the smaller triangle, you have the side CD. Right? CD. Opposite to the red angle in the bigger triangle, you have which side? AC.
AC.
Okay, and only the green angle is left. Opposite to your green angle in the smaller triangle, you have which side?
AC.
AC. And in the bigger triangle opposite to this green angle, you have the side BC. Okay, this is how you write the proportional sides.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now since I have written the proportional sides, I need to find BC and CD. Let's see what is given here. AB is given to be 8. So this is given. Fine. AC is given to be 4. AD is given to be 5. So this I know. What do I need to find? I need to find CD here. So that means I'll take the first two. So we have AD
So
by
we can
AB.
use Pythagoras.
Wait, is it a right angle triangle that you will use Pythagoras theorem?
Oh, sorry.
So you write all the sides. AD is 5, AB is 8, and CD we need to find out, and AC is given to be 4. Okay, so that means CD is equal to 5 into 4 by 8. It's 5 by 2, 2.5 centimeters. Okay. Next question is find. We have found CD. Okay. Find BC. So which one we have to find now? We have to find this one, BC. And what all are given? We have already ticked what all are given. This is given. This is given. Okay. And AC is also given. Here AC is given. That means we consider the first and the third. So also AD by AB is equal to AC by BC. The first and the third equalities we consider. So this is 5 by 8, AD by AB. This is given. And EC again is given to be 4 centimeters. Okay. And we need to find BC. So we write BC as it is. So we get BC is equal to 4 into 8 divided by 5. 32 by 5. 6.4 centimeters. Okay. So we have managed to find out both the sides. Now we need to find out the ratio of the areas. Okay. It will disconnect. Okay. Area of triangle ECD by area. If it disconnects, I will continue tomorrow with the other sums. ABC is equal to square of the proportional sides. AD by AB is equal to CD by AC is equal to EC by BC. Square of all this. And which one do I know? I know the first ratio, AD by AB. So I'll consider that ratio. AD by AB whole square. And how much is AD by AB? 5 by 8.